Guys, meron tayong dito mangga and ano to? Upa. And then sausawan natin with asin and bagoong chili. Okay, try na natin. Wala kang alam mo.
Fingers crossed we might be okay. She took a picture of my passport and WhatsApped it to somebody, so I presume they may be talking about what they can do.
Sinaganda dito sa Vietnam, pag bumili ka ng asin, meron na siyang halong ginamos, meron na halong shrimp paste, pinag-mix nila. Kaya ito yun ang nabili ko. Ito siya guys, para sa mangga.
International airport. It's tiny. There's like 2 gates here for every flight that goes out domestically, and there's like a flight every 20 minutes. It's kind of just between flights. It's a bit of the long songs of steep so coming back on, but yeah, this is chaos. Fingers crossed we get to board soon. I don't know what the airport there in Tokyo is going to be like. We'll see when we get up there.
Tapos hindi siya matamis. Hindi kagaya sa Thailand. May mga asukal yung sausawan nila.
I guess they don't have Specsavers down here. Pretty soon though, there was the rumble of an ancient Soviet-Chinese turboprop rolling into the airport, and as I looked out the window, it was an MA-60 to take me on my flight to the north of Laos. Boarding the plane here in Vientiane is actually pretty cool. All the walkways are outside like they are in Honolulu, so you get a great view of the planes as you walk out to them. And here's my ride for the day, this Xi'an MA-60, originally delivered in 2015.
Sobrang murang mangga dito guys. Lalo-lalo na to. Sa Thailand napakamahal.
It's in an old economy class 2-2 config. Right, they're working on all of these MA-60. This is a Chinese knockoff of a Soviet turboprop plane, the Antonov 24. This is the Chinese version of it. This one, well, it's only a few years old. The difference between this and the Antonov 24, this is a newer version of the plane, basically. The Antonov's got the old overhead bins, the big round windows. This is actually quite nice. It's like a 737 almost crossed with an Antonov 24. Pretty decent. And I'm here on the exit row 5, and I've got an absolute ton of room. Look at the room here. It's actually fairly comfortable, to be honest. This plane, the seats are pretty nice. The rim line is cream leather. You've got the Ryanair style lappers all the way down the overhead bins on the way down the plane, but the seats themselves are quite nice. A little bit narrow, especially here on the exit row. The leg room's not bad, and even in the regular seats, I don't think the leg room is too bad. I have been on one of these before in Nepal with Nepal Airlines. I'll put a link up on the screen for that video. Pretty soon though, the pilots stoked up the engines and we got on our way for our flight across Laos.